Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the Ordinary Sulphate 4% cleanser for hair and body. And so this is a great hair and body cleanser that's fragrance free, it has a gel type texture and does not foam a lot. And it is great to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, so it's like a basic product. And so I want to share with you how it performs, giving you a little demonstration, and I want to include a little review into this video as well, sharing with you some before and afters and how I feel about the shampoo based on how I've been using it and how effective it is, because there are certain points that I do still important to emphasize. So first of all, I want to get started with the before pictures which I just took before starting this video. So this is from this morning. I have nothing in my hair, no gel, no styling products whatsoever. This is just what my hair currently looks like, and I just washed my hair yesterday evening and I've straightened it. I prefer to straighten my hair in the evening as well as once during the day, otherwise I look like a mess because it starts to curl in a weird way. Whatever. I just want to make sure that you understand the before picture and then later on understand the after picture. So you can see right here now the pictures, once from the front what it looks like, then once from the side, and lastly from the back. And so if you want to pause the video to just like have a closer look at it, that's completely fine, go ahead and do so. I just want to include them so that you can see it, and then later on the afters will make a lot more sense. So now I want to get started with the little demonstration. So first of all, I'm going to wet my hair and body with lukewarm water to warm water, so of course make sure it feels comfortable when having a shower. And then I'm going to use the cleanser, also known as shampoo in that specific case, and I'm going to keep my main focus on the hair because this is where it sometimes may cause certain issues, and therefore I want to show you the demonstration of the hair because with the body itself there aren't any problems. And so I'm now going to wet my hair, use a bit of the shampoo, massage it like onto my hair, and then I'm going to rinse it again with water. So let's go ahead and do this. So now once you're done with wetting your hair, go ahead and use more or less about a coin size amount. I mean, this amount can change depending on how short or long your hair may be, so that you have enough product to massage it through. So it's kind of like a gel, as you can see. And when trying to foam it up, it does not foam a lot, just a little bit. And when using it immediately on your hair, it sometimes feels like it's not foaming enough. But that's just how this specific cleanser works. So, and once you're all done, you can see it just foams a little bit, but not that much, and this is how it's supposed to work. And now you can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. So, and once you're done, you have rinsed out your hair, you now are basically done in the shower. Well, then that's already basically it. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair, then I'm going to do some hair straightening as well, but I'm going to do pictures in between so that you can see what my hair just looks like when drying my hair, and then later on when using a hair straightener as well, so that you can see the proper before and after when doing so. And then lastly, I want to share some thoughts about it. So this is now what the hair looks like when it's dry, and I'm now going to take pictures from every angle so that you can see it in your own time as well. So now I'm going to straighten my hair, and then again I'm going to do some pictures so that you then can later on see it in your own time. So now that I have straightened my hair, I want to immediately move on to the before and after so that we can look at the pictures side by side, and my hair is kind of falling and has the same hairstyle again, so that you then can judge based on the pictures how well the shampoo is able to remove any excess oil as well as sweat that can build up throughout the night. Now first of all, let's get started with the front. Of course, if you want to pause the pictures, go ahead, take your time. Then we have once the pictures from the side. And then lastly, you can also see it from behind. Now, this is basically the before and after that you can look into, and I do hope that those pictures are in some sense helpful based on if you want to look for a gentle shampoo or not, specifically like keeping the focus on the hair, because on the body it performs really well. But there are certain points that I do want to emphasize when it comes to using it as an hair shampoo. It is called a cleanser because it performs like a cleanser. So you may already be familiar with facial cleansers. Some foam quite a lot, others don't, and usually they are a bit gentler on the face because they shouldn't irritate nor dry out the skin in any way. So you can think of this specific cleanser that works well for the scalp. So if you have like an oily scalp or you sweat quite a lot, which is usually always at the roots of the hair, then it's a great cleanser, also known as like a shampoo, because you're using it in your hair. Overall, when massaging it through the hair, it does the job really well, but because it does not foam as much, you may think it's not getting into every area. This is how I felt in the beginning, and I've been using the shampoo now for several weeks. But the more you're getting used to it, then you understand that it is a quite lightweight hair product that can still effectively help you to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the scalp and even from the hair itself. Now, I can only talk about my experience with my hair length. I'm not sure how this product will perform if you have longer hair, and how well you can massage it through longer hair. And then you probably need to use more product as well. But I want to emphasize one more point, and this won't change, doesn't matter if you have long or short hair, and this is if you're a person that works quite oftenly, if not daily, with hairstyling products such as hair gel, hairspray, or even hair mousse, and it makes your hair quite stiff or sometimes a bit greasy or oily. If you are, by the end of the day, you are trying to rinse it all out, well then this shampoo or hair cleanser isn't the best product for it. In my opinion, it is not strong enough, and whenever I had the gel in my hair, because I like to put my hair to the back, and so this is where I like to work with different hairstyling products to get this based on those specific places, I had difficulties to properly remove it by just using it once. So in that specific case, I had to use the hair cleanser 2 times to make sure that it is able to properly remove the hair gel specifically out of my hair. And so this is the only downturn that this hair cleanser or shampoo has when using it in the hair. But if you're not using any hair products and you're just having your hair like this, or maybe in a bun where you have different stylings, but you're not working with hairstyling products, well then this is a great cleanser to just do the basics. And it feels extremely lightweight on the skin, not on the skin but on the hair, sorry, and it does not give you that heavy weight that certain shampoos can give you. So if you're into the hunt for such a lightweight hair shampoo, and it is effectively in cleansing the major dirt, sweat and oil, go ahead and go for it. However, if you're a person that likes to do the hairstyling quite often, then this isn't probably strong enough for you to break it all down. And so this is now my final point that I do want to emphasize when working with this product, so that you have a little demonstration before and afters and a review into this video video all at once. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video, that you find it helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. And now if you want to learn more about skincare or certain hair products as well, I have a few videos of hair products as well on my channel, so I'm going to link some of them at the end of this video there so that you can keep on watching. But if you want to learn more about skincare, feel free to browse through my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye!